Peace and blessings. What's going on, YouTube family? Welcome to the YouTube channel. It is yours, the one and only, yours truly, KiMu JTD, and you are now tuning into another Sunday motivation. On our Sunday motivations, this is where we get together and we get motivated. And I want y'all to get ready for Monday. So if that is something that y'all want to continuously get into, y'all want me to tap into you and pull that motivation for you to go after what it is you want in life and go get it, go ahead, hit that subscribe button and do yourself a favor. Hit that ding-a-ding-ding, that bell, so you get notified every single time that I drop another video. So let's get into the Sunday motivation. All right. So today I want to talk about something that I used to do and I witnessed so many other people do it habitually. Like it's ridiculous. And now that I'm out of that space, I can really speak on it because I understand. So many times do we give our energy for free to people who don't deserve it. Not just people, but things, situations. We give our energy to people or things who don't deserve it or are going to do nothing with it. I used to give my energy, I used to give free advice to friends, family members, relatives, whatever, about finances, personal developments, advice, some tactics, some techniques that they could use to get themselves to the next level. Once again, financial, mental health, personal development. I used to do that stuff for people, and people wouldn't move. And the thing is, it's okay. If you are one of those people who give free advice, who help people for free, that is exactly why we're on this planet, is to help people. So don't stop helping people. That's not what I'm saying. What I'm saying is, the relationship that you're in with this person, let's just say that this person continues to call you. The only time that they call you, the only time that they approach you is when they are in a crisis, when they're going through an issue or just something's going on, or the only time that you're giving this energy is when something is going on. I want to challenge you to be aware of those people or situations that are just stripping you of that energy, that are literally just taking that energy from you. I want y'all to be aware of those moments, those people who are, those situations that are taking that energy from you. Because you could be putting that energy elsewhere. Stop giving your energy towards people and things who are not ready for it. If you're going to give free energy, make sure it's free energy that is replenishable, that you can replenish on your own. If you get off of the phone with somebody and you are not able to, and you're like, whew, like it drained you, you got nothing out of it, and you're getting nothing out of the relationship that you're having, probably take a step back and be like, yo, okay, is this something that I really should get myself into? Those could be the moments that are stopping you from pushing forward and getting you to that next level. It took me a minute because I had to be aware of the fact that I was doing it. It took me to be listening to motivational videos for me to understand that, yo, I'm giving my energy to people who are not pouring back into me. In order for me to be able to do this, they either need to give back to me, or I need to give very little because I can give it back to myself. Because sometimes we're not able to give ourselves 100% of that energy. Maybe you need to go listen to some music. Maybe you need to go for a walk or a jog or whatever the case may be. But in a single day, you might not be able to go for that jog or that run that is going to give you that energy back. Be aware of where you're placing your energy, because the energy goes out, but we also need to get it back in. If you're running on empty, it's going to be hard to give it to somebody else. So stop giving your energy for free. Keep what you need. Give what you can so you can get to that next level. Use the energy that you could be spending on somebody who's taking it and not giving it back. Use that energy so that way you can go after your dreams. Yes, be selfish. It's necessary sometimes. Thank you for tuning in to today's Sunday motivation, where we talked about you being a little bit of selfish and being aware of where you're putting your energy. Being a little bit of selfish of your energy because it's your energy. It's your energy. Thank you for tuning in with yours truly, the one and only KiMu JTD, where we talked about you keeping your energy. I look forward to seeing y'all next week. Make sure if you liked it, go ahead and give a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and hit that bell so you get notified every single time that a video is dropped. I look forward to seeing y'all next week. Peace.
On the road to the riches, on the road to the dollars, on the road as a scholar, so I could join the top.